Whether your goal is to land a better job, confidently communicate with the world around you, or to meet a personal goal, at thisisenglish.org, we are here to help with affordable, fun, long-lasting results with our virtual and in-person English classes and events. We eliminate the barriers to learning English by providing low-cost, accessible classes to improve your pronunciation, grammar, reading, writing, and speaking to accommodate your busy schedule across the globe. Additionally, we provide interest-based classes on a variety of topics to help you immerse yourself in English. We empower communities of women to thrive, live out their unlimited potential, personal development, and workforce development through English proficiency, soft skills, digital literacy, and micro-credentialing. Build your confidence, build your career, and build your life. Sign up for our classes and events at thisisenglish.org today. Hope to see you soon.